Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You begin by opening your phone's cellular or mobile data settings. This gives access to the embedded SIM profiles. Once in, tap the active eSIM profile to reveal identifiers. Look for ICSID or EID as the eSIM serial and MSystem for the phone number. Do this now because the device stores the unique eSIM codes. They are what carriers use to link service. Make sure to have your carrier account login or the original QR code nearby, since you may need to cross-check values immediately. Once done opening profile details, scroll to ICSID or EID and copy the full number exactly. These are long digit strings, do not truncate. Then check the cellular plan or about phone section for MSystem, which is the actual phone number. If missing, open your carrier app or recent SMS headers because carriers often display it there. Make sure to compare the device values to your carrier account page because discrepancies mean the eSIM is provisioned, but not yet linked to service or needs reactivation. You finish by verifying the ICSID/EID and MSystem matches the carrier account, then copy them into any forms or support chats. If values differ or fields are blank, contact carrier support and request the eSIM serial or a replacement QR. This prevents activation errors. Once you have confirmed details, remove and reinstall the eSIM profile and restart the device to force reprovisioning. If problems persist, make sure to mention the ICSID and EID to support. That single detail often resolves provisioning failures quickly.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.